The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall, skilla. Yeah man, blessings to every Jamaican. Alright, I know say security guards don't really have no union in Jamaica. You see me I say? But me have some security brethren with friend fi come on the camera come talk, but them ball every day and God knows some heart goes out to them. You have a particular security company, Atlas. Me I talk up the thing because you see them youth, I'm really linking them. And the man I'm work 1 fortnight and I get no pay, 2 fortnight and I get no pay, 3 fortnight, I mean consecutive, you know, and now I get no pay. Like them I work for good name and what pretties. You see if them not come to work, other people are come, them I get other security put in a them place if they know what to come to work. And man I say, boy, me have to go work, you know, cause if me not get no work, if me not go work, me I go lose my job. But you go work for 3 consecutive fortnights and now get no pay. No man, something need to be done. Something need, it is so unfair because at all times, so you can imagine how the man them have borrow money and say, yo, when fortnight come, me pay you back because me not have money for go work. And then fortnight come, you not get no pay, where you go tell the person them say where you borrow money from. Then one next fortnight come and then one next fortnight come. You have to pay fare, you have to buy lunch and you have all sort of bills you sort out. And your security company where you work for a daytime not pay you. 3 fortnight can't go and you not get no pay. And you just check out the other security them man. The man them not get no pay. And them I gotta work same way, and if they not gotta work, them want to show them bad face. You see me I talk about take them off a rasta, and if them decide say yo me nah come and work for 1, 2 or 3 days because me not get no pay, them a take them off of the rasta. Oh no sir, what can be done? What the security guards them can do to get them pay from Atlas? Cause them no want to come on the camera come talk, but them beg me every day and talk and talk. Oh God have mercy, what them can do?
Viewers and subscribers, can you imagine working weeks on top of weeks and not getting any pay? Eh? Can you imagine that? I've been through things like that, you know. You see me I say? I have been through things like that. No, I've never been a security guard, so I can't talk for any security guards out there because I've never been a security guard. I don't know how that job really works. You understand? The things that this person said, if they are as accurate as to how this person said it, viewers and subscribers, I think that the government within the country of Jamaica or some form of union within the country of Jamaica should take a look into the things that this person talked about. You understand? You see me? And I'm not saying that the person is lying, viewers and subscribers. You see me? It's just that I'm going by the things that this person said. You see it? So, you know, it's really and truly something to think about. And I think that the things that this person said is something to be looked into. You see me? Yeah, man. You see? Anyways, you know, you can let me know what to think about the video that I just presented to you. Alright? Yeah, I'm going to move on to another video. You see? The next video I'm going to present to you, according to some things that have been shown and said in this video, I got the understanding that persons went to a Jamaica Public Service Company branch to pay their electricity bills, but they were not able to pay their electricity bills because there was no electricity at that JPS branch at that time. Viewers and subscribers, I think it is ironic, you know. Here's the video. Take a look and observe.
I have to really view this. Come at JPS this morning from minutes to 6 to pay me bill in a line. And JPS tell me say they're not no current in our building. Them things have reached me social media. Them things are utter than this. One of them people are there for before day. I line up in a line. Because I put more and punish down this and big JPS now no current. JPS say they're not no current. To pay me bill, me can't pay me bill because JPS not no current. All them foolish and people in Jamaica look at you, and your bill is how bill you get. And watch it. You can't blow down to pay your bill. Eh? Cow bill, ain't people? Watch it, them foolish.
Viewers and subscribers, it's ironic to me, you know. You see me? Yeah, and I'm not trying to be disrespectful towards the Jamaica Public Service Company. No, I'm not. You see me? I said to you. Yeah, but you know, I would think that a place like that would at least have a backup generator or something. You see me? I say, remember, you know, Jamaica Public Service Company is a company that supplies the citizens within the country of Jamaica with electricity. You understand? So that's why I think it's kind of ironic. You see me? But anyways, the next video I'm going to present to you, this video is being talked about on social media, and that's one of the reasons why I'm presenting this video to you. This video shows how the rear wheels of a trailer truck almost went off the bridge that is known as Flat Bridge. Right? And the bridge that is known as Flat Bridge is within the parish that is known as St. Catherine, that is within the country that is known as Jamaica. See? Viewers and subscribers, I want you to take a look at this video and tell me what you think about this video that I'm about to present to you. Alright? Now, some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Now, here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
Looking that.
Viewers and subscribers, you see that bridge that is known as Flat Bridge? A lot of accidents happen at that bridge. You see me I say? Yeah, you see. But anyways, you know, to each and every motorist and pedestrians out there, be careful when you're on the road. Not just at Flat Bridge, but all the roads out there, even out there in the world, whether Jamaica or elsewhere. Alright? Alright. Now I'm going to move on to another video. The next video I'm going to present to you, this video is going to show persons who are said to be farmers digging yams. You see it? And I want to say big up and respect to each and every farmers within the country of Jamaica. Every farmers, big up on yourself. You see it? Me Dancehall skilla, I respect you. You see me I say? Oh yeah, and some of the languages used in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Now here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
Stand up, pussy. You think I Roman raisin? Master. Think I Roman raisin, dig yam. Them I hear me. And a Roman raisin. And some powerful something them. I went gone. What you call upon this I hear me? When gone back on it? I can go join up on the next whisk. God, master, I don't know. Alright, 2 whisks. I want yam. Ben. And God, eh? Good fair. What style? You are going to do that the right class in there, man. Alright, sir. No, broke here. William, man, come up with you now. No, you can't do it. You have to cut down. Do so. So, we are no man. Alright, Jesus. You take up some man. Watch out your foot down below you, you know. Look at your foot. Look at your foot down. You know, it's all broke, man. You put gun up here. You know, don't catch all this up, man. Look at, we punch us up. We have someone punch. We have to say that. No, see it there. The gun up now that they can't. Rock him now. Wait, hold on. Rock him. Rock with. Alright, rock with. Man. Alright, man. Take your time. Good quality rock. Come up, man. Jerk. Tap your break. No, sir. No, sir. No, sir. Cool, you come look at. Just call, man. Be on now. Hey! Man! Hold him, my youth. No, sir. No, sir. You can wrap up almost back up on the ticket.
You see your man dig yam? Yeah, Jano, I have to big up the farmers them, you know. You see me? Yeah, I have to big up all farmers within the country of Jamaica. You see it? Yeah, I want to big up on myself. You see me? I said. Alright, so here's where I'm going to leave it, viewers and subscribers. Let me know what you think about the videos that I presented to you in this video. You see it? And until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. I'm in name Dancehall skilla. You know? I'm going to big up on myself. You see it?
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch.